What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the margin in CSS. So far we've learned about the following. We've learned about the borders, the padding. The fourth and final component is going to be about the margin. Now margin refers to the space directly outside of the box. The property is used to specify the size of the space. So margins are just one number. It kind of acts like the padding basically, but it's above the padding there. So the code in the example above will place 20 pixels of space outside of the paragraph's box on all four sides. This means that other HTML elements on the page cannot come within 20 pixels of the paragraph's border. If you want to be more specific about the amounts, again, we can put the margin top, the right, the bottom, and the left. Each property affects the margin only one side of the box, providing more flexibility in customization. In the example above, only the right side of the paragraph's box will have the margin of 15 pixels. So let's go ahead and work on this right here. So set the top of margin of paragraph elements to 60. So we'll go ahead, choose the margin. We'll do margin top and we'll set it to 60 pixels right there. Run it. There you go. Now look at the three red boxes at the bottom there. Right here. These elements are anchor elements of the class .share. Set the .share to have a margin of pixels of 10. So we'll do margin, we'll do 10 pixels right there. We'll run it. No, okay, set these share anchor. Oh, it's the share anchor, not the regular share. All right, there you go. And you see how it's more spaced out now. So that's really the beauty of the margin here. You can space it out a little more. So I hope that breaks it down a little better for you. And I hope you guys did learn something from here. If you did, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one, and you have a fantastic day.